Artoonza.
If this video made you smile even a little, smash that like button like it owes you a bedtime story. All right, sleepy dreamers and crayon champions. Today, we're drawing the coziest, snuggliest bed you've ever seen. We're talking fluffy pillow, bouncy mattress, and a blanket so warm even your pencil might fall asleep. Honestly, this bed looks so comfortable, my marker tried to take a nap on the paper. I had to wake it up. We drew it, we survived it, and now the real magic begins. Because we're about to splash the most gorgeous yellows, pinks, and oranges all over this beauty.
Aww.
Stay with me, it's about to get colorful. Let's go! Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Give us a big thumbs up. Oh, hello there, sunshine. Yellow is here, and it's ready to be the brightest star of the whole show. You see, yellow isn't just a color. It's the official color of happiness. Bananas, school buses, and every emoji that's smiling at you right now. We're squeezing those gorgeous golden drops from our dropper like it's the world's most magical lemonade. Then spreading every glorious drop across our cozy little bed drawing. And honestly, this bed is already looking so warm and sunny, I might just crawl inside it and never come out. Don't touch it yet, though. We've got more colors coming, and they are going to absolutely blow your mind.
So
Wait, pink just walked in, and it does not take second place. Pink is the color of bubblegum, fairy floss, fluffy clouds, and every dream you've ever had that was too cute to be real. We're dropping those gorgeous rosy drops right on top of our sunny yellow and watching them blend like best friends at the world's coziest sleepover party. This bed is getting dreamier, softer, and honestly so beautiful right now. Even your stuffed animals are jealous. But hold tight. We have one more color coming, and trust me, it is the most exciting one yet. Smash that like button now. And now, the grand finale. Orange has entered the chat, and it came to win. Orange is basically yellow, and pink's louder, bolder, more confident best friend who always shows up last and still manages to steal the entire party. We're dropping those gorgeous fiery orange drops and blending them into the most breathtaking, glowing sunset of a bed you've ever seen in your whole life.
Aww, so cute.
This bed is now so dreamy and colorful, I am genuinely considering sleeping inside a painting tonight. You did it, superstar artist.
Wow.
And it looks absolutely amazing. Big kiss, superstars. Wait, don't go. Click another video. We've got crazier drawings hiding here.